Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ananya'S and today's video is yet another hashtag Slurpee Saturday video. So we'll be making a very quick recipe today as well. But before that, I know that आप में से काफ़ी सारे लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने DIYs बनाना बंद कर दिया है because I have been uploading a lot of cooking videos, but it's nothing like that. I have few things planned for DIYs and for you all, but it's just that कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा time नहीं दे पा रही हूँ. But you'll soon find a lot of DIY videos on my channel as well. So please stay tuned to the channel. Until then, watch this video till the end. So starting with, we'll need 5 to 6 boiled and mashed potatoes. Then we'll add 1 freshly grated carrot, that is gajar, half a cup of grated cheese. Please save some cheese for the end also. Some boiled corns, freshly chopped coriander leaves and green chilies. Then we'll add masalas. You can add salt according to your taste. Some dhania powder, that is coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, kala namak and dried anardana. इसका एक्स्ट्रा फ्लेवर आता है बिकॉज व्हेन वी ईट तो ये थोड़ा सा बाइट में आता है विच इज वेरी यमी एंड देन वी जस्ट हैव टू मिक्स ऑल ऑफ इट टुगेदर. देन आई एम टेकिंग सम ब्रेड स्लाइसेस और मैंने ब्रेड स्लाइसेस को गीला किया है एंड देन आई एम एडिंग इट टू दिस मिक्सचर सो दैट हमारा एक तो मिक्सचर अच्छे से बाइंड हो जाए. ऑल्सो फ्राई करते हुए हमारे जो डिश है वो फटेगी नहीं ऑयल में. So that's how we'll make these balls. Now we'll take 2 tablespoon maida with some water and we'll make a liquid paste like this. We'll also need some vermicelli, that is jave, जिनसे हम नमकीन जवे बनाते हैं. Now all we have to do is we'll take a ball, we'll dip it inside this liquid. Just make sure कि आप बहुत देर तक dip नहीं करें क्योंकि वो बहुत soft हो जाएगा. You just have to ऐसे डिप करना है कि एक कोटिंग टाइप उसके ऊपर हो जाए एंड देन हम इसको पूरे वर्मिसेली से कवर कर देंगे. इनिशियली लगेगा कि स्टिक नहीं हो रहे हैं बिकॉज आपके हैंड्स भी गीले होंगे बट देन धीरे धीरे वो हो जाएंगे. जस्ट बी लिटिल पेशेंट. सो ऑल्सो यू कैन एड एज मेनी वेजिटेबल्स टू द मिक्सचर एज पॉसिबल. मैंने बहुत ज्यादा नहीं डाली है बट इफ यू वॉन्ट टू एड ब्रोकली और बीटरूट यू कैन एड. और ऐसे हम पिट टाइप्स बनाएंगे सेंटर में हर एक बॉल की सो दैट इट लुक्स लाइक a nest. And finally we simply have to fry them. So here we are frying them one by one and once we are done they're going to look somewhat like this. And I have garnished these with cheese balls and some freshly chopped coriander leaves, so you can have it with a sauce. So isn't it looking so yummy? I hope you all really like the recipe. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up and share it to as many people as possible. Comment down your suggestions and feedbacks for me. Subscribe to my channel because it's free and we've already crossed 1000. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end.